My name is Sapphire-Topaz Johnson, and I am a student from Wilmer's Trust High School for Girls, and I recently finished my CSEC exams, going in confident, coming in confident, all thanks to my One Academy. I chose to participate in the Sprint to the Finish workshops because I realized that exams were around the corner and they were coming very fast. So I went to Mommy and asked her and told her that, Mommy, I need some extra help. And she said, okay, I'm going to get you some extra help. And she found my One Academy, and I went to it and I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed all of the fun times and the conversations with teachers a lot. It was my favorite part about going to the classes. For example, I was in English class with Mrs. Hendricks. I think her name is Mrs. Hendricks or Miss Hendricks, and when we're going through some of the past paper questions, we would make some jokes about it, and I'd be in my room laughing and she'd also be laughing with me. They helped me prepare for my exams by the teachers giving me easier ways how to solve questions and how to put critical thinking into play, and going through past papers and showing me easier ways to answer them and simpler ways to go around them than just going the long way. But still, it's the easy way, but I have to use critical thinking same way. I enjoyed the experience so much. I went into exams feeling confident and I came out feeling confident, and I have to thank all the teachers there for going through, teaching me even when I got stuff wrong. They explained it, made me feel like I couldn't do it. I would definitely encourage them to come, and anybody else who would go, because it's a wonderful experience and you will learn a lot.
Good afternoon, I'm Diane Shepherd. I'm the mother of Sapphire-Topaz Johnson, who recently used One Academy when she was doing her CSEC exams. All right, how do I feel about One Academy? It's a good platform for your child to use. They didn't have all the subjects that she wanted to participate in, but for the ones that she did and she interacted with, I think that she benefited quite a lot. She's not an early riser, but my child was up and in classes and she was participating. And at the end of it all, she was like, Mommy, I'm so happy. These classes ensured that I was ready, and she was excited, and we did these past papers and I went into the exam and some of the questions came back. So if you're looking somewhere to have your child sign up, One Academy is the place to go.